Everybody's crypto panic selling. Don't fall for it. We're going to talk about how to make smart moves when the market drops. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now listen, are you thinking about selling your crypto because of a big dip? Before you hit that sell button, watch this. I'm here to tell you why panic selling is going to hurt you and how you could turn today's chaos into an opportunity. Okay? So, fellow XRP holders, listen up. Because right now, there's a trap out there that you won't want to fall into. It's called panic selling. And I'm here to make sure that you don't make that mistake. Right now, it might feel like the world is crashing down around you. The market is down, the news is flying, and everyone's freaking out. Let me tell you something. It's not the end of the world, okay? Not yet. If you make a decision based on fear, you're playing right into the hands of the big players who are waiting to buy cheap crypto while you sell in panic, okay? It's always the same. Here's the deal. Panic selling is a trap. It's like running away from something that's not even there. What the charts are showing is that retail investors, that's you and me, are selling during the dip. While the whales, the big money players, they're buying. You know why? Because they know that this is just temporary. It's a temporary drop. And they're ready to scoop up all the discounted crypto that we sell. Just look at this. Over the past few months, we were holding strong. But starting in December 2024, retail investors started to panic. They sold because of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Meanwhile, the smart money, the institutions and the whales, started buying in August, and that's when they kept buying ever since. So, why is the crypto down right now? It's because of the news. Trump just put tariffs on Mexico and Canada. The stock market, the futures are showing massive drops, and the fear is spreading. It's like a domino effect, okay? The stocks fall, the crypto falls, the people start panicking. The thing is, this isn't the end, okay? Sure, things are down right now, but this is actually perfect as a time to make money, okay? Good money moves. The market is down because of fear, and that's when the real opportunity comes up. So if you're sitting on the sidelines with cash or stable coins, now is the time to start looking for opportunities. I know it feels like, the market is scary right now, but you got to remember, these dips, they don't last forever. They're followed by rebounds. And what do I recommend? Don't panic. If you're holding XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other solid crypto, don't sell. The best thing to do right now is to wait and to be ready. If the price keeps dropping in the next 48 hours, you might be able to grab some discounted coins. Now, we've seen these dips before. XRP, for example, dropped 40% in the past, but it always bounces back. And if you're in for this for the long haul, these dips are actually an opportunity to buy at a discount. So don't sell. Don't get caught in the emotional trap. Stay calm. Stick to your strategy and wait for the right movement to add more to your holdings. All right? Now look, I'm not here to spread fear, but I am here to give you the truth. Okay? Yes, the market could get worse. Okay? It could. The stock market's crash could bleed into crypto. It could. But that doesn't mean that you should panic sell. If anything, it means that it's time to watch closely. Watch closely. Be ready to buy the dip. Be ready to buy during the dip. I want you to be prepared. Okay? Now, when the market dips, it's not the end. It's an opportunity for those who are smart enough to see the big picture. So stay calm, make smart decisions, and take advantage of the situation. This too shall pass. And when it does, you could be sitting on a nice pile of profits. Listen, thanks for watching, and remember, don't let fear make your decisions. Okay? Stay strong, hold your ground. You might just make the best move of your life. So, see you next time.